Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Yannick
and it's your girl Shelly,
and we're back with another lit video.
So this week we're doing
another
story time, but it's gonna be about our most embarrassing moments. We don't want to share because this is embarrassing.
Embarrassing. You know, we can't just say it again.
Embarrassing
for me.
So before we get into the video, first let we big up our fabulous nail tech. That's our lit cousin Natoya Aris. She's located in Ocherius. Check out our nails, and they're about a week or two old. These are fabulous nails. So if you want to get in contact with our fabulous nail tech, you can contact her at I don't know her number. Hold on. When they don't kill me, what? You don't know what to be. Leave me alone. Yeah, me get her number. Yeah, you can call her and get your nails them.
So let me say they text her from Messenger.
Yeah, or you can check out her at Natoya Aris on
or just link we will just
send on a message and everything. Yeah, and
that's simple.
A lot of people been asking about my fabulous hair. Yes, you know, thank you about my fabulous hair. You done by yours truly and my fabulous sister as my helper.
Everybody asking, oh, I like your hair. Who did the hair? Me do my hair. You did hair and me help you do your hair. Don't do it.
My fabulous sister helped me accomplish this. I call it Rasta look.
With Anton fashion.
Use Anton fashion. What you dress now, go?
Alright.
Yes. Ready. And before we jump right into the video, follow us on all our socials at Shelly Lisa on Facebook and Shelly Lisa B on Instagram. And don't forget to follow my business page. That's Forever Thoughts. Yes, my baby. On Instagram and also on Facebook. Go ahead and check it out, guys. I'm getting some new stock. Next week. So stay tuned.
Yeah. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Queen Yan Brown and on Facebook at Yannick Brown, of course. And on TikTok at Yannick Brown 8.
And remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel right now.
Do it.
Do it. Do it.
Do it if you want to do it. Ready?
So, are you ready for this one?
Kinda, a little bit, maybe.
Are you ready?
I don't know. You ready?
Maybe.
Me ready.
Little bit?
Just a little bit.
Teeny?
Who ready for tell the embarrassing moment? Not nobody.
Not me.
Alright.
Ready for faster embarrassing moment? I'm not.
Well, go first.
Not me.
Not me. Come, rock, paper, scissors.
Alright. Rock, paper,
Steve. Go.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 1, 2, 3.
Rock, paper.
You know, do it good. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Go. 1, 2, 3. You cut me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, wait. Yes. Thank you. You go first.
Alright. That's not one of my most, but it's one of the embarrassing moments for me.
Go ahead.
Me tell a story before. Somewhere.
Get into the story, man. I want
me think you hear the story already, you know. But you go remember what me tell you. Alright. So when you have to know the story yet.
Okay, I don't know.
You don't know what?
I think I'm thinking about mine.
Oh, that's our phone. Alright, ready. Alright.
Okay.
Working. So me and my fiance we're asleep. We sometimes sleep in the same bed. So we were sleeping. So I was sleeping. He was watching a movie. Yeah. So he have his headset on. You remember this now or no?
No.
He have on his headset. Yeah. I'm asleep. So me asleep. I'm just asleep. I'm asleep. And then guess what happened? Guess what happened?
I don't know.
Me poop. Me poop. She said never hear me poop in my life. Yeah. I was at the first moment when you spouse. And you poop in front of your spouse. So I'm there, me asleep and me poop and me sleep. Yes. And then he said ear poop through earphone. He poop through earphone and he said, wait, did she just fart? And then he take off his headphone and he said to me, say, wait, Yanni, did you just fart? I'm saying, leave me alone, man. Leave me alone. I'm going to sleep. Leave me alone. And my heart was like this. Boom. I was pretending like I was sleeping, but I wasn't sleeping. My heart was like this. But I didn't fart. I heard myself, my fart wake me up in the night. So I farted and I woke up myself. And I was like, please don't let him hear that. He was like, wait, what? Okay, that's my embarrassing moment. That happened to me. My poop wake me up. Alright, your turn.
Okay.
I was having more person out of himself. Boy.
I don't want to tell this story. Okay. What am I?
This most good. This
Really,
most good.
if you know what it is, when I start telling the story, you're going to remember, see, I start laugh.
Alright,
Because you were there. Okay.
Really?
Yeah.
Let me hear this now.
Okay.
You should have said?
No, this happened about probably like 5, I don't remember exactly, but around 5-6 years ago.
So long?
Yeah, I remember that it was me, Yannick, Sanya, if you remember this, it was me, Yannick, Sanya, Buggy, that Glenn Dan.
Me know yet, huh?
Yes. We're going to a party in it was in Runaway Bay. So you know that we had to take a Brownstone bus.
I remember this, but I don't remember what you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about.
We have to take a Brownstone bus, so everybody knows who don't know where the gas station name clock? And a total.
A total.
Everybody
A total.
know total. Everybody knows total right o'clock. So we're there waiting on the Brownstone bus. So we had to take a Brownstone bus.
Remember where that go one party?
Runaway Bay. So we're all standing there. So me know, girl at a nice, in a nice material shots, and cute and among the things, stand up nice there.
Oh, one.
So group out there, something right then. You know, smelling like a
Remember, no, disgusting. Look at me. We don't remember. We just remember, no. Lord.
So I'm like, okay then, so I'm gonna crack a silent,
But deadly.
I didn't know that it was gonna be deadly.
I got out there and I tried to look for thinking poop.
Say, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go a deadly, not a deadly, but a silent, look a ting, it's a look a fart. So,
I'm sure you're going to proper weight.
So after me, let it go now, So, then I love Glenn now watch me, but then if you watch the video, you remember Glenn the pan. And I think I only told Yannick about this after she was the only person that know. I don't think Sanya know, or Glenn and always was there. So me hear Glenn me and Glenn, me and my cousin get Glenn and get out. No man! Who did this? No! Oh hey! They can't do better. I guess station stinks. Normal, come move. I have to move for myself, so you want move?
I don't believe.
So, you know so wait now. I said, come move, man, come move. So, me no. Me no. I move with them too. I mean, that's full of man. I move with them now. So,
Wait, no, I'm tired, wait.
wait, nah?
I'm tired.
So,
I'm tired for that, wait.
wait. So, everybody are move now, you know. So, I say, I move with the crowd. so after, so he moved now and son of someone. It's my son, no, man, no. I just smell. I smell so.
I say, what did you hear? They poop on the
My sister smells so too. Me say,
No,
we
sir.
stay, but me say, I'm not going to the bus. The man said, no, man, promise one to step in and stop my man. No.
I'm not sure she did it herself. I'm more sure she did it herself.
I don't know what I'm going to do there now. I me say, you see, after, the
No,
funny thing about
sir.
it is, you know,
I know nobody knows it. And me alone knows it.
I alone know after around an hour. When I hear after me tell you,
I don't
me say I
remember.
can remember the
Yes.
time. Till I hear
After.
after. Me say me in the bus have me a
Girl, I go to rotten
me
the
say,
body.
I laugh, but I was so embarrassed. Oh,
Yeah, walk with a
because
silent
no.
weapon, man.
So, oh, Glenda did that go on.
You couldn't say me.
So, because, obviously, me. Obviously, me.
But you said,
Hey.
you're not sure, man.
No, now left me. I said, hey, girl. Step aside.
In our battery rather short. Next time we're long pants.
Oh, if you look on him and said, I know the gas station. It's me.
No, sir.
Could
The
never
jaw
miss.
hurt
I
me.
was embarrassed. Oh my god. I said, no, the gas station will do better, man. Oh, the place smells so, man. But the funny thing about it, even know, is that we did a gas station for around 5 minutes before. So, if at the gas station,
You don't smell it.
you don't smell it. So, me not understand.
I feel like you didn't know say you poop. I feel like you didn't
Well,
know.
me glad you keep it away there.
I feel like you
guys.
didn't know say you.
Me not think we couldn't take it. So that was one of my most one of my most embarrassing moments. Like that was my me have want to top it.
We're not do that today.
Me not do that this week. So we feel like so we'll keep the video short and spice it. So we got end it right here. So if you want to hear my another most embarrassing moment, you have to get this video to 100 likes.
No, I'm not feeling like we go 50.
50
We'll
likes.
start from 50.
Get this video to 50
and
likes
go up a bit.
and up, and I'll tell you
We have some from school days, you know.
Yeah.
There's some things happening
another
from school
most
days, you know, man.
embarrassing
Alright.
moment. We're going to end it right or so. We're going to end it right or so. Because the other one named juicier than this. And you know what? We want to go ahead and comment below and tell us a little bit of sneak peek your most embarrassing moment.
I'm not feeling more tell you still.
No, don't tell me. May I keep it a secret? But yeah.
Yeah, keep it secret?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you're
I'm
gonna.
good at keeping secrets.
What were they ready?
I'm not tell nobody.
But I want to see it and read it.
But my eyes not me not tell nobody.
But I'm gonna know.
What no?
People are gonna know. What can
Which
read
people?
comment name? But then DMR then.
No.
DMR.
They might tell me that. No, but comment below same way.
Comment below and
Yeah.
say lit, fire.
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 Comment below and tell us.
Okay, yeah.
What
Was your
what
most embarrassing
moment?
moments?
What are your most embarrassing moments? Because me have more than one. She have
Me have
More
one. Me have. Everybody's
But-
supposed to have more than one.
yo. Please, and nobody don't go and tell Glenda.
Please don't do it.
Because all my go on the nights, me feel my
Remember
care
the time
grip.
there. Remember the
So,
time there.
that's what I was saying. I start laughing. I say, anytime I start talk, you're going to remember because you're the only person
Remember.
me tell about that specific incident. And no, all I don't know. But keep the secret,
But when
please.
I talk, I say mine for different one video I make one long time ago. I did say it.
Keep my secret, please. Please, keep my secret. Please. Thank you.
Yeah.
And that's our video for this week. Guys, that's our video. That's it.
So don't forget
Get
to
to like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah. Yes.
Turn on your post.
No. Turn on your post notifications.
Notification.
So whenever we post, you get notified right away. Not tomorrow or later. Like right away. Yeah. And don't judge me based on my most embarrassing moment, because say, oh,
hot girl,
pretty face and
all
I wanna do it.
Good, but inside dead and rotten.
Listen, all I wanna do it. Leave me alone.
Everybody farts.
Leave me alone.
But some people just think more than others.
The only thing about it is, I am not embarrassed to talk about.
Some people won't think not others. Good
But
thing about mine when
embarrassing
we
now.
poop, when I sleep, you never sing it just still loud.
Well, that was one of mine. Mine was quiet. Nobody not hear it, but
Silent but deadly.
it was present.
And loud but safe.
Right here, T. It was present.
Okay, people. We'll see you next week.
And we will see you next week.
Thanks for watching our videos.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm gonna hide now. And don't come at me.
I'm not come for you, girl. Can anybody come for you, come for them too.
Don't at me.
Let's go.
Yes. See you guys. Oh, remember check out our nail tech. Look at those. No, come on, zoom in. Check out those nails. Come on. Aren't they fabulous?
You get this color only when you go Wendy. When you ask the Wendy, you only get this color here.
Wendy, right at Ochi.
It's shallow and
right at Almond Tree.
You look better in person.
Yeah, right at Almond Tree. Anybody know the MoneyGram? Right at Almond Tree.
Upstairs.
One of them ask Wendy.
Go say Wendy.
Say Shelly and Yan send me. Start up my nails. And tell her, say, listen. Say if I apply the family discount too.
Do what?
Family discount.
We're not getting a discount at Christmas or COVID time.
No.
Straight.
Family discount. We are all family. Straight. Family discount fam. Point. Okay, guys. And we're out.
Toodles. Film.